Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Jolie. So today we're going to talk about supplements and health. Don't think that I'm going to dig deep into this, like super deep. I'm not a scientist. I'm not a pharmacist. We're going to talk about a company called Care of. I came across Care of on social media and I figured let's give them a chance. So what's cool about this company is that you go to their site, you fill out a form, like a quiz, to talk about all of the things that you want to focus on. Sleeping better, energy throughout the day, overall well-being. And what they do is they recommend you a bunch of different vitamins to tailor to your daily needs. Simple, right? Cool, right? Yeah, I figured they were super cool too. So I did want to do an initial overview of the package that I received from them and just kind of talk you through some of the vitamins that I receive for myself. This is something that I just want to share with people if you were curious about the company, curious about how it works. So I figured let's just go out and try them out. Just to let you know, this is not a sponsored video. All opinions and comments are of my own. I was not paid for this. I want you to go through this journey with me. I am starting my 30 days this evening. I have on PJs, guys. I have on PJs. So yeah, let's just talk through what they gave me, just the overall like initial thoughts, and yeah, let's do this. So I opened up the package. And what I absolutely love, and I am so corny for this, I love customizable things. So when you open up the package, they have this little made for kind of brochure. And what's in the brochure is a thank you, and it breaks down all of the vitamins that they recommended for me. So as you can see there, all the vitamins, my name is in there. So just to give you an idea of what I wanted to focus on is, of course, like sleep quality. I love getting my 8 hours of sleep. So they have something called Dream Team, and I'll show you what that looks like. Vitamin D, because it's just never too much vitamin D for this melanin. They also give me B complex for just like dietary sources and concerns. And they break all of this down too. So like, you'll see in the pamphlet, it'll tell you what the vitamin or supplement is, and then it'll tell you what it's for. Super intuitive, I know, right? Simple. Then they gave me Maca for energy, iron for just like blood boosters, something called Rolladala. Listen, some things I just can't pronounce. And that's for like endurance and recovery for exercise. So I work out at least 6 times a week. So very important for me. And finally, plant-based protein. I got the chocolate flavor because sometimes vanilla plant-based can be a little weird. So I went for chocolate flavor, and obviously it's just for like support muscle and growth and recovery. So this is just personalized. It's super cute, like I was saying. And I really love that. Then they give you a little welcome pamphlet. So you get 2 welcome pamphlets. And in this one, it'll tell you how to set up your routine. They have an app to track how frequent you are, taking your vitamins. So that's important because I know I'm guilty of buying vitamins and then skipping days or just not taking my vitamins consistently. So I get it. Thank you for the app because I'm definitely going to need it. And of course, they're all about recycling. So they talk about that. Make sure you recycle all of your packaging. Just check for the recycle thing on the package. You know, the little triangle thing? Check for that. And then, yeah, you're all set. So I know you're curious, like, well, what did they give you? I want to see the packages. So the program is, well, not program, but like, the vitamin supplements replenish every 30 days. You do have the ability to cancel your subscription. So you do have control over that. So let me just talk you through some of the stuff that they gave me. So this is the Maca. And it came in this packaging here. And I think they gave me like 5. Like some days I be so tired, y'all, and I just need a little pick me up, and coffee will keep me up all night. If I drink coffee in the morning, I would be up all night. So I didn't want that. So I figured, like, I want some clean energy. I love matcha. I can drink matcha all day, but that will require like a lot of sugar and stuff, and we can't be doing that. So this is how it looks in the package, and you pour one packet into like your protein shake, water, and the ingredients are just simply maca, straight to the point. Then I have what they call dream team for sleep support. So this is 2.5 milligrams of melatonin quick sticks, and the way that this works is, here's the packet. You just take this one packet and you put it in your mouth and let it melt, and I guess within like 30 minutes it'll work. I'll let you know how that plays out, because when I'm ready to go to sleep, I'm ready to go to sleep. And then finally, in this cute little packaging here, is the supplement. So all of the vitamins that I told you about are here. And oh my God, this is so cute, y'all. So every vitamin pack has my name on it and a quote. Tell me that's not the most corniest thing. That is the cutest, corniest thing ever. Okay. And as you can see, the vitamins are in the pack. Super simple. You take one pack of these vitamins every day. You do have the ability to customize the vitamins that you're taking. So you can go on the site and say, you know what, I want to try this vitamin because I'm feeling X. So whenever you feel a little different, or you want to focus on other areas of your health and wellness, you can go on the site and you can modify your packets. So that's pretty much it. I'm super psyched. I was kidding. I didn't forget, y'all. So the plant-based protein, because I know some of y'all were like, well, what's in that plant-based protein, sis? So this is what it looks like. So this is the packaging here. And let's talk about the ingredients, because that's important. We need to talk about the ingredients. So 2 scoops is a serving size, and that's 150 calories. It is 14 grams of carbs, 3 grams of fiber, and 18 grams of protein. So I know there's other brands out there that are not vegan that do have a lot more protein. I personally am like not avoiding carbs, but limiting my carb intake. I have a personal trainer, and he's like, you have to have 150 grams of carbs. I've done keto before, and I could literally like not eat carbs. So I have to be mindful of that when I am like trying new stuff. It's okay to eat carbs, Khadija. It is okay to eat carbs, but I still kind of hesitate. But this will be okay. I let him see the nutrition, and he was like, it's not enough protein. I don't care about the carbs. But anywho, let's talk about the ingredients. So I like to look at the top 5 ingredients. So what they have here is plant-based blend. Everything is organic. So pea protein, pumpkin seed protein, hemp protein, cocoa powder, natural chocolate flavoring, coconut sugar, triglycerin, aka MCT oil, you know, the fancy name. So that's primarily the top, ingredients. And the way that you use it is you take the 2 scoops and you put it in water. I put it in chocolate milk, because I feel like when you have chocolate protein, you're supposed to put it in chocolate milk, like chocolate, double chocolate. Who puts, anyway, I won't get in trouble for putting it in chocolate milk, I'm sure. They do label that it's no milk, eggs, peanuts, fish, shellfish, soy, wheat allergens in the product. So that's really good. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's the whole product line so far of what they recommended for me. I promise, come back in 30 days and let you know what I think. If I feel different, how my body's feeling, what I think about the protein, how it tastes. We're going to go through that in the next 30 days. I promise you, I will have a follow-up. I want to thank all of you for tuning in. And as always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See ya.